West Indies squandered a good start to lose by 15 runs to a battling Australia in their ICC World Cup match at Trent Bridge today. The result gave the Australians their second win of the campaign, while the Windies suffered their first defeat.
Electing to field, the Windies fast bowlers made full use of the new ball as Australia's top order crumbled under the Windies' pressure to be at one stage 79 for the loss of 5. The momentum, however, swung when Alex Carey joined Steve Smith in the middle as the two counter-punched in a 6-wicket partnership worth 68 runs. Carey's dismissal gave way to Colton Niles' arrival, with Smith holding the Australian innings together with 73. Colton Niles hit 8 fours and 4 sixes in a career best score of 92 as Australia posted a challenging 288 all-out. Carlos Brathwaite ended with 3 for 67, while Andre Russell, Sheldon Cottrell and O'Shane Thomas all picked up 2 wickets. In their reply, the West Indies were in early trouble, with Evan Lewis being dismissed for just 1. Chris Gayle, who made a half-century against Pakistan, tried to put pressure on the Australian bowlers, finding the boundary 4 times. Gayle's dismissal may be considered unlucky as the previous delivery should have been called a no ball. The Caribbean side would, however, recover, with Nicholas Pooran and Sheikh Hope adding 68 runs. The two played some elegant shots before Pooran fell 10 runs short of his maiden half-century. The attacking Shimron Hetmyer and Hope had one moment of indecision in their 50-run partnership, and that was enough to see the Guyanese walking back to the pavilion. Hope was the next to go, top scoring with 68, and when Andre Russell's aggressive game saw him being dismissed, the chase for the Windies became more difficult. Captain Jason Holder with 51 tried to combine with the lower order, but the game was finished as a contest when he and Carlos Brathwaite went in the same over to Mitchell Starc, who had 5 for 46. The Windies innings eventually closed at 272 for 9. The West Indies will next oppose South Africa on Monday, while the Aussies will meet India on Sunday. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.